Hi kids, today we are going to start with a new lesson, the story of food. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? In this picture, we see Venu's family and Rani's family. In the first picture, we see Venu sweeping the floor. In the second picture, we see that Venu and his family are all sitting together and having food. In the third picture, we see Venu is reading the newspaper. In Rani's family, Rani's mother is preparing food for the family. In the second picture, Rani is serving food to the elders in the family. In the third picture, Rani is bringing home a pot of water. Now let's answer some questions. Do all the people in your family eat together? Let's see what Sonu has answered. Sonu says, yes, all the people in my family eat together. The next question, who does not help in cooking food in the family and why? Sonu says, my grandfather does not help in cooking food in the family because he is very old. Now ask these questions to yourself. Think about the answer and write your own answer in your book. The next question, who does more work? In your house, in your friend's house? Now let's look at Sonu's answer. In Sonu's house, Sonu's mother does a lot of work, and in Sonu's friend's house, Sonu's friend's mother does most of the work. In the table, some of the work done in the house has been mentioned. Find out who does them in your house and who does them in your friend's house. Work. Who does the work in your house, in your friend's house? Now let's look at the answer that Sita has given for this question. Cooking food. In Sita's house, her mother cooks food for the entire family. In her friend's house, there is a cook who cooks food for the entire family. Buying things from the market. In Sita's family, her father buys things from the market. In her friend's house, her friend's mother gets things from the market. Sweeping. In Sita's house, Sita's brother sweeps the house. In Sita's friend's house, there is a maid who sweeps the house. Cleaning the utensils. In Sita's family, Sita's mother cleans the utensils. In Sita's friend's house, there is a maid who cleans the utensils. Filling water. In Sita's house, Sita's father fills water. In Sita's friend's house, Sita's friend's father fills water. Now think about this question. Find out who does these activities in your house and in your friend's house and write the names of the people who do these work in your book. We get food from two sources, food from plants and food from animals. This is the symbol for a vegetarian food. If you see this symbol on food packets, then that food is vegetarian. That is, the food is made from plants. If you see this symbol on food packets, then it is a non-vegetarian food, which means it has been obtained from animals. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we learn the different kinds of activities that people in a family do. Hi kids, today we are going to continue with the lesson, the story of food. When you are sick, do you take any medicine which we get from plants? What do you take when you get hurt? When you get hurt, you can drink turmeric with milk. What do you take when you have a stomachache? You can drink ajwain mixed with water. What do you take when you have a cough and cold? When you have a cough or cold, you can drink ginger or tulsi tea. What do you take when you have a toothache? When you have a toothache, you can chew on clove. Where does what we eat come from? The names of some food items are given below. Add some more names to the list. Draw a green circle around those items that we get from plants. And draw a red circle around those items that we get from animals. Can we start? The first item here is honey. We obtain honey from beehives. Therefore, I mark it with a red circle. The next item is corn. Corn is a plant, therefore I mark it with a green circle. The next item is spinach. Spinach is green leafy vegetable. We obtain this from a plant, therefore I mark it with a green circle. The next item on the list is egg. We obtain eggs from hens. We do not get it from a plant but from an animal. Therefore, I mark it with a red circle. The next on the list is tomato. We obtain this vegetable from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. The next item on the list is turmeric. Turmeric is obtained from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. The next item on the list is milk. Milk is obtained from cows. It is obtained from an animal. Therefore, I mark the item with a red circle. The next item on the list is potato. Potato is obtained from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. The next item on the list is meat. Meat is the flesh of an animal that is eaten as food. Meat is obtained from animals. Therefore, I mark it with a red circle. The next item on the list is onion. We get onions from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. The next item on the list is fish. Fish is an animal. Therefore, I mark it with a red circle. The next item on the list is lemon. We get lemon from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. The next on the list is ajwain. Ajwain is a seed obtained from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. The next on the list is banana. I know that banana is a fruit obtained from a plant. Therefore, I mark it with a green circle. From this list, the items that are marked with a green circle are vegetarian foods, and the items that are marked with a red circle are non-vegetarian foods like honey, egg, milk, meat and fish are non-vegetarian. That is, they are obtained from animals. Corn, spinach, tomato, turmeric, potato, onion, lemon, ajwain, banana. Basically, the fruits and vegetables are vegetarian foods obtained from plants. Choose the correct basket for each item. Draw a line to match. Now we have a list of items here. Now we need to match the item to the correct basket. We have 4 baskets: flowers, leaves, fruits, any other part of a plant. The first item on the list is carrot. Carrot is the root of a plant. Therefore, I match it to this basket which says any other part of a plant. The next item is jackfruit. Jackfruit is a fruit. So I match it to the basket written fruits. The next item on the list is French beans. French beans are seeds of a plant. Therefore, I match it to this basket which says any other part of a plant. The next item on the list is mustard, seeds obtained from a plant. Therefore, I match it to this basket which says any other part of a plant. Mustard is not a flower or a fruit or a leaf. Therefore, it goes into this basket. The next item on the list is radish. Radish is a root vegetable, just like carrot. Therefore, I put it into this basket because it is not a leaf or a flower or a fruit. The next item on the list is ginger. Ginger is a stem of a plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket because it is neither a leaf or a flower or a fruit. It is a stem. The next item on the list is mango. Mango is a fruit obtained from the mango tree. Therefore, I put this into this basket which says fruits. The next item on the list is gram. Grams are edible seeds that are obtained from a plant. Therefore, I put them into this basket. The next on the list is spinach. Spinach are edible leaves of a plant. Therefore, I put them into this basket which is marked leaves. Next is cauliflower. The name says it all. Cauliflower is an edible flower of a plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket named flowers. The next item on the list is banana. Banana is a fruit obtained from a banana plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket which is marked as fruits. The next item on the list is flowers of kachnar. Flowers of kachnar look like this. They are edible flowers of a plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket named flowers. The next item on the list is amla. Amla is an edible fruit of a plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket which is marked for fruits. The next item is lotus stem. Lotus stem looks like this. It is an edible stem of the lotus plant and hence it is put into this basket which reads any other part of a plant because this is a stem. It is not a leaf or a flower or a fruit. Therefore, I mark it to this basket. The next item is curry leaves. Curry leaves are edible leaves obtained from a plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket which says leaves. The next item on the list is potato. Potato is an edible stem of a plant. Therefore, I put it into this basket. It is not a leaf or a flower or a fruit. Now I have put all the items in their correct baskets. Spinach and curry leaves are leaves of a plant. Cauliflower, flowers of kachnar are flowers of a plant. Jackfruit, mango, banana and amla are fruits. Lotus stem, carrot, potato, gram, radish, ginger, French beans, mustard are either seeds or stems of a plant. The foods that we obtain from plants come from different parts of a plant. It can be a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or a stem, or a seed. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we learned the different kinds of food that we eat.